Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel. Remember, my name is TriKdanG with the silent K. On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a very cool paper airplane, the future. The future is the glider. That means you do not throw the paper airplane too hard. Just throw it lightly and it will glide for a long distance. And I'll show you guys how the plane fly. Sometimes it will fly to the right or it will fly to the left. All you need to do is to adjust the stabilizers. Now I will show you guys how to fold the airplane. To make this paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size. You can also try A4 paper. First step, fold the paper in half. And then unfold the paper, flatten the paper, and start from the top edge forward to the center crease. Make sure that you match the edge to the center crease. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. After you finish both sides, start from the tip for straight to the edge and flatten the paper down. And then unfold the paper. Start from the tip again for straight to the crease we just made. And then turn the paper over. And we use the creases that we make in the past as a preference to fold it down. Make sure that you flatten the paper. And on the following step, you use the other crease as a preference to match with the bottom edge. And now you can flip the paper over. On the following step, just start from the edge for straight to the center crease, and while you fold it that way, just flatten it and then push down the other layer to create the pointy head of the plane. This is very similar to how you fold a flower. When you finish one side, repeat the same action for the other side of the paper. Make sure that you fold the paper airplane slowly. Sometimes it's difficult because the paper now getting thicker and it's more complicated, especially for the head. Before you flatten the paper down, make sure that you fix the paper. Sometimes it doesn't place correctly and there are a lot of things to fix, so just curve it slowly and then flatten it down. But if it's too difficult, don't worry so much about that. Just flatten it down and it should be fine, and you can adjust it later. And as you can take a look at this, I finished the head of the airplane. And I will show you the next step right now. When you fold the head, sometimes the paper strip a little bit. That's why you need to flatten it down. And now just fold the paper in half, and we're going to create the wings of the plane. Now you can use this edge as a preference to fold the wings. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Yeah, just press it very hard. And now I will show you guys how to create these stabilizers, because it is very important that you have these stabilizers to stabilize the airplane, and estimate about 1 inch from edge or 3 centimeters, and you can fold this tail of the wings up to create the stabilizers. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Remember, it is about 1 inch or 3 centimeters. If you don't have a ruler, just estimate it. After you finish the wings, unfold the stabilizers and make sure that the stabilizers create an angle of 90 degrees to the wings. And now you can test the airplane out. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to check out my other cool paper airplanes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.